Welcome at Past 25. This is the highlights from the mini symposium. I am here with Michael Lange and Baldassar Reuter from ECMWF, Germany. And you were organizing a symposium that was with the title, What the Actual FORTRAN Radiation Edition? I put also the question mark. So can you tell us, can you summarize what was this mini symposium about?
Yeah, so ECMWF is an operational weather forecasting center, and so we have a lot of FORTRAN codes, and we deal with a lot of FORTRAN codes and the challenge that this poses when we port this to different architectures and systems, a recurring topic. And the radiation edition of this mini symposium, so this was a continuation of something we did last year already, was specifically looking at the radiation code that we run, and we asked developers and compiler engineers from all major hardware vendors, Intel, NVIDIA, and AMD, to look at our code and tell us what exactly hinders it from achieving good performance on their hardware. And then we had someone from ATH, Lex, look at the same from a more software side.
But what was the message? Is FORTRAN disappearing, or is FORTRAN, I think I asked you last time the same thing, or similar question. Yeah. Is FORTRAN still there, or is FORTRAN slowly but steadily disappearing?
Still alive and kicking, for sure. But yeah, what we saw is that across the different compilers, across the different vendor partners, a lot of similar type of optimizations that are not obvious to scientists, but to the technical folks. They actually share it between the different tool chains, and they can actually achieve improvements for all, for all compilers and for all tool chains.
What are the take-home messages from all your discussions at the past conference?
So the really good thing about everyone looking at the same code is that we have a really concrete shopping list of things that we can do now.
Yes.
So we do have very specific next steps on our platter and actual homework, so to speak. But there was also keen interest on the presenter side to continue the work there, and so we hope to continue the exchange there and then develop and evolve this further.
But then you hinted already, but then what are the next steps? What do you expect to happen now that your mini symposium has been is finished successfully, as far as I understand from what you're telling us? So what would you like to see happening in the future, in the months to come?
Well, of course, first and foremost, improvements in the compilers for the operational codes, for the new codes, for all the hardware. And we're getting closer and closer to parity on having the same code run efficiently on various things. And who knows, maybe we'll do this again next year.
Thank you very much then for joining us, and thank you all.